What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be playing like one chicken game. I am on my account finally. So because yes, chicken farm. We're gonna be playing chicken farm. This game is pretty viral. It's viral, but not that viral, sadly. Chicken farm update 7. Bar 1, alright. So, collect 3 eggs. God damn, my voice is high. Let me go get the thing. Got it. Oh, I have to collect it. Oh, alright, I understand it. This game is easy, bro. I'm gonna finish this thing easy. Oh, I know how to do this now. Holy, bro. Oh, let me go collect some eggs. Get 3 chickens by 1. Where do I get more chickens? Where do I get more chickens? Bro, what? Buy 1. Let's get the buy 1. Let's go. We got 3 chickens already. Merge. How can I get this crazy duck chicken? Damn, bro. I'm already so good at this. Let me go collect all the eggs real quick. Bro, if I get the eggs, what will happen? Oh, this guy does nothing at all, bro. Oh, alright, this thing starts and stuff. Oh, I understand it now. Wow, 45 eggs? God damn, bro. What can I buy? Oh, nothing right now. Let me farm eggs real quick. I want to buy this thing and this thing. But let's buy the 5 one. Holy, I can merge, right? Yes, sir, I merged it. Let's get this one. Oh, that's how it keeps going, then your farm becomes good. Look how many eggs I got. That's so much, bro. Oh, then you get to merge those ones. Okay, this game is pretty easy. 150? Damn, bro. Okay. Oh, bro, look at that farm. Holy, bro, look at that farm. This guy's so pro. Oh, I have the dirt chicken. Let's go. Let me go check on other farms, bro. Bro, this guy, look at this guy's. Holy, bro, this guy is so pro. Bro, merge your thing. He won't merge, bro. This guy is pro as hell. Bro, makes so many money. This guy, he's the same as me, though. Bro, this guy's the best one right here, right now. Holy, bro. Oh, I got a lot of eggs. Alrighty, I have 238. I can just deposit the eggs. Then I can buy. I wanna buy 25, bro. It's gonna be so much. Let me merge all real quick. W's. I merged them. I still have tier 3. But I should merge all of them. Bruh, he just left. That guy was good as hell though. Can I reboot? When can you reboot? Bro, 1 million? That's gonna take me forever, dude. 2x cash, do I have Robux? No. I don't spend Robux, bro. I wanna buy 25. Bro, I wanna buy 25. Let's just wait for 25. Let's just wait for 25. Alright, bro. Bro, that's a lot. I just want to buy 25, bro. Just want to buy this. But that's going slow as hell, bro. Let me explore real quick. Let me go explore. Tier 6, thanks, bro. This guy also is good, not gonna lie. That guy is good too. Look, he has the bees one. Damn, bro, these people are good. Let me check how it's doing on my team. Brother, I need a lot more than that. Alright, bro, I have 430. Let's go. Just need a little bit more. Bro, let me go like in the game. Like the game and plus, where's the game? Where's the game? Where's the group? Join community. And where can I like this? Like, I joined the community and I like. They must give me my money now. Yeah, boy. Now I can do whatever I want. I'm gonna buy the one. I'm gonna buy the 100 one. I'm gonna buy this one. If I got the money. Oh, this is gonna take a long to free money every 10 minutes. Ooh, this shit's good too. God damn. How many cash? I need more, bro. Let me just buy this 2 times. Holy moly, bro. Bro, I have the B. Look how many eggs I got, bro. But this one go fast, bro. How do I? Oh, I could upgrade it a long time ago. I forgot to upgrade this. Oh, hell no, boy. Yes, sir. Damn, bro, I'm so good at this game. Now it's going fast, bro. Finally. See, bro. Now it's 100 for like 10,000 or something. Y'all gotta be joking me, bro. Holy bro, I'm so good at this game now. Bro, I'm gonna, once I get 10,000, I'm just gonna upgrade that. This bee gives a lot of eggs, bro. Bro, I just murdered like one time, all my chickens were gone, bro. All my chickens. Let's accept you so I can be better. Holy bro, it's gonna take too long as hell. Holy moly, holy. Oh goddamn, bro. Yes, sir, boy. Look how fast this is going, bro. Bro, I just upgraded all that. Let's go. Where stopped? Only eggs. Oh, I got a bee. Let's go. I got a mushroom. Damn. I'm so good at this game now. Bro, those eggs are going fast. I need some eggs real quick, bro. Bro, give me some eggs. I need a lot of eggs, bro. Bro, I got another mushroom. Let's go. Just need 2 more so I can upgrade it. Let's go. Oh, I got the dummy chicken. Goddamn, bro. Bro, it's like 20,000 for this one now. Y'all guys gotta be joking me. Alright guys, this was it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. Peace.